Hi, welcome to my channel, guys. This is the first Christmas recipe on my channel for this 2019, and we have a Peruvian style Christmas Arabic rice in the rice cooker, and we are gonna need rice, bacon, raisins, black and yellow, garlic, noodles, pecans, any black soft drink of your preference, and the rice cooker, salt and olive oil if you need it. Heat the rice cooker. How? Just cover the pot with the lid and press the cook button. Now add the bacon and cook them until light golden brown for 1 minute or less. Then take them out and in the same oil add the raw noodles in small pieces and cook them until golden brown for 1 to 2 minutes. And take them out for later. I washed my pot because I'm recording for you guys, but if you want to use the same oil, okay? I'm gonna be adding the garlic and stir a little bit. Then incorporate the bacon and stir a little bit. And now it's time to add the rice. Mix everything. Now I'm gonna be adding 3.5 cups of the black soft drink. Stir well. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, but this is optional. Then add both kind of raisins. Let's incorporate the noodles. Mix everything together. Cover. Press the cook button and let cook until the rice cooker let you know when everything is ready. Just separate the rice with a spatula or fork and be sure that it's cooked. Finally, add pecans, stir, and serve hot. I hope you guys like my recipe. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my social media. And of course, I have a cookie for my little girl. Her name is Candy. She's my coton de tuliare. She has own videos every Saturday, and she's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.